The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Beltrami County, northeastern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota until 9:45 p.m. At 9:07 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Debs, or 23 miles northwest of Bemidji, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Redby, Red Lake, 10 Strike, Lavinia, Little Rock, Turtle River, and Leonard. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.